So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can fix auto dubbing not working on your YouTube videos while using your PC. So for that reason, first of all, open up any of the browser and simply go with the youtube.com. Now log in your YouTube channel into this browser and go with the YouTube Studio. Alright, then on to the left side, you will probably see the settings option. Tap on the settings and then go with the upload defaults. Now, once you have done to here, you need to tap on the advanced settings and scroll it down and simply tick mark on this allow automatic dubbing and tap on the save. You are done, guys. So now it will be fixed for the further video that you will post later on. But for the previous videos it won't work. All right, so you need to upload new videos now on and you will get the auto dubbing. So that's how you can simply fix the auto dubbing not working on your YouTube videos. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.